Hey guys, if you've been left in the dark by a previous manager and you need to basically find your customers' information, there are a couple of different ways you can sort of do this. So for example, I recommend first of all going through your emailing system. So for example, if you're using ActiveCampaign, MailChimp or stuff like that, you'll be able to see your emailing lists, and you do not want to add anything to these because you don't want to be breaching any data protection regulations within your country. Like for example, here in the UK, we have GDPR. I would say go through your CRM software, look at all of the different people that you can pull out of that. So for example, like Zoho, HubSpot, Salesforce, whatever you're with. You'll also want to look through your accounting software as well, because occasionally you'll have contact details in there if you've got any sort of previous business relationships. So if you're looking at like Xero or QuickBooks, for example, you can get information from there. You can also go onto your social media accounts, look for incoming messages, things like that, and hopefully this will help you sort of gather information on your previous business contacts and your customers. You can also ask your other staff members as well. Anybody who is very, very good at communicating will probably have some information about that. So it's really, really important to acquire this information as soon as possible. You can also set about building up a new emailing list for people if you don't have any of these things. I don't generally like using emailing lists, but I should probably make a couple of videos on them later. Anyway, I hope this really, really helps, and good luck when you're taking over as a manager. Take care and have a lovely day. Bye.